Are you looking for a new construction home in one of my favorite new construction communities right here in Estero, Florida? Well, on this video, we are highlighting the Canyon model right here in River Creek in Estero, Florida. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? I'm Rob Wozner, a local realtor here in Southwest Florida. If this is your first on my channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, planning, and the real estate market, this is a channel you need to subscribe to. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. Welcome to one of my favorite model homes here at River Creek, the Canyon. It's a fan favorite floor plan and it's very easy to see why. This spacious home design features 3 bedrooms, including a master suite with walk-in closets, 3 baths, a den, great room, covered patio, and a 2-car garage at 2,135 air-conditioned square feet. An open concept gourmet kitchen and large great room plus dining room add luxury and style to the thoughtfully designed Canyon, making it a perfect home for entertaining friends and family. It's now time for you to go on a virtual tour of this property, and when you're done, you can guess the price. For this video, we're going to guess the price of the home without the lot premium and without some of the major upgrades. So basically, the standard pricing for the home. So is this home available at $600,000, $635,000, $695,000, or $735,000? Enjoy the tour, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Wow, I hope you can see why this is a buyer's favorite here in River Creek. And if you guessed $635,000, your real estate knowledge is on par. Thank you for watching this video about new construction homes right here in River Creek. If you want more information on River Creek or to get my special realtor incentive, buyer incentives, and discounts, make sure you take the first step. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, however you want to get in touch with me. I have the systems and processes dialed down to make this transaction as smooth and easy as possible. I have your back when buying or selling property right here in Southwest Florida, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.